Some of you may or may not be aware of the SubChange request icon located on the portal. If you log into the portal, you'll see the icons across the red bar here, and you'll see the second one is SubChange request. If you click on that, you see a Google form that references SOSGA 1.23, and essentially this provides you with the opportunity to fill out your form regarding any curriculum changes or degree changes you have going on in your department. And this is something that the Office of Institutional Effectiveness is tracking and helping with in coordination with the curriculum department. Now, when you log in, first thing you do is you complete the date, and then you'll enter your name, your email address, phone number, proposed effective date of the change. Let's say I was going to be making a change for fall of 2017. Select what campus you're located at, and then select the type of change that you're requesting. And I'm going to say, let's pretend I'm adding a certificate to my degree plan. Once I've done that, I click continue. And depending on what you select, this next page will change and have specific requirements. So for adding a certificate, it tells us that we're going to have to complete this section and then also complete the section on closing an award. So closing and adding certificates requires two different actions. For the new certificate, we want to create a new certificate for TSTC using courses listed in our current catalog, create a new certificate for TSTC using courses not in our current catalog, or offer a certificate that's currently taught at another campus. And so let's pretend we're going to create one not using courses currently in our catalog. And here's our justification. As far as justification goes, this is really important. It needs to be data driven and industry driven. So let's say this is an advanced certificate with skills that are outside the perimeter of the regular associate's degree. So I go to WECM, where I get my zip codes. Once the Workforce Education Course Manual site opens, you can type in your ZIP. We're going to use 11.0201. Do a search. And you can see that this is advanced programming, etc. And so on the SubChangeForm, enter your ZIP. We already offer one in the new ZIP area. I'm going to say yes. I'm not sure. I believe we do in our BAP program. If specific employers requesting the certificate, you would type the information there. All the campuses where the new certificate will be offered, we'll say this is just Waco. This is all just conjecture at this point, okay? Just for demonstration purposes. Alright, if you want to offer a cert that's taught at another campus, you just select it from the list of all the certificates that's offered below. Once you've completed the form, go ahead and click submit, and it's then sent on for the next step of the approval process. Now if you want to do another one, you can just go back in, enter your information. Let's take a look at what it would look like if we were doing a different type of a request. Once again, enter all your information. It'll retain that once you've entered it. We're going to say once again, fall 2017 is when we want our change to take effect. Let's pretend that we're making this request for Williamson County now. And then let's look at the different types of changes. There's dual credit at off-site locations, add a certificate, add an associate degree, significantly changing the length of a program, closing an award, initiate a new TSTC instructional delivery site, and so that's adding that at a new or different campus. Initiate joint or dual degrees with another institution, if you have a partnership. Initiate programs or courses offered through contractual agreements or consortiums. Offer an award fully or partially online. So let's select that, offering an award fully or partially online. And then the last one is initiate a competency-based program. And we're going to be seeing a lot of those happen in the near future. Click continue. And the second page is specific based on what I selected on the first page. So what percent of the courses in the online award can be taken online? 50% or more, 25 to 49% or more, 24% or less. Let's say we're going to do 50% or more. And we're wanting to offer this in Williamson County. And let's say that the award that we're looking at is our visual communications program, the design specialization. So if we're going to offer the visual communication technology design specialization online with 50% or more of the classes being available. Once I've done all of that, again, I'm going to request that I receive a copy of this, so I'll get emailed a copy, and then I click submit. And that's how easy it is to go in and make a SubChange request utilizing the portal Google form.